Hi, it's Paul from Landscape Plus, and I'm just going to go over our lighting system, which actually uses our what we call EasyTee. Now, an EasyTee is something which goes in line on the low voltage side. You go in from the power supply, and then you can go off to a light fitting, and either finish off with another light fitting, or you can extend the cable and put another EasyTee after it as well. So, just going to show you how they work. With this simple system, we use the Wagos. I'm just going to connect it up so you can see that the low voltage lighting just gets put into there. You can then put the power on and the light works. So simple, 240 into the power supply, reduces it down to the 12 volts, and this one's running 350 milliamps. So then that just goes to a light fitting, as simple as that. But then you want to add an extra light fitting in there. So just going to take the power off, undo the connections, and so you've got your light fitting there, which you still want to go onto your EasyTee. You then get your single EasyTee. Then obviously you just connect up the power to positive and neutral, connect it on the system, and all you do is then literally connect up the fitting here. So that's the light fitting. If you plugged it in now, it actually wouldn't work because you've still got the series wire. The loop isn't made here. So all you do is actually connect a fitting onto the end like so. Just make sure you got the colors correct. And so that connects it like so. So you've got your one light, you've added a second light into the zone by putting a single EasyTee. Again, you can extend that connect cable there to go over. You can extend this off to go further into the garden, or you can extend it and just put more EasyTees in line. So when you turn the power on, it literally just illuminates both the lights because the series wire has been connected.